Awesome.
Roses are red, violets are blue.
I'm really bad at poems, but I know Kung Fu.
I'm making a friendship bracelet for you out of flowers.
Thanks, Angela. I can make you a new playlist if you want.
I'd love that, but easy on the metal this time. What do you want for your birthday this year?
Night vision goggles, so I can skate in the dark.
Did you ever have a nickname?
Have you kinda a nickname? Dare.
Truth.
Who's your crush?
Boss, I crush you.
Wanna grab a bite to eat?
Let's get sushi.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Cherry stracciatella. It's cherries with chocolate. I'm writing a new song. What rhymes with pink?
How about blink?
What's your favorite sound in the entire world?
The sound of my favorite song, but the first time I heard it. Wanna play spray paints?
Perfect.
You think I need to redecorate